Hello, this is Becky Raisler, and I have Becky's Junk Journals on Instagram and on YouTube. And I'm going to show you this little accordion journal that I made. It's 5.5 inches square, and the covers are just cardboard covered with fabric. It's the back. That's the front. And I did these for Junk Journal January. I only got about 2/3 of the way through the Junk Journal January prompts before I ran out. But if you're doing Junk Journal January, it's at Meg Journals is one who's hosting it. Thank you, Meg. And also, I've made this for its title, the Hope and Joy collaboration with Rach and Bella Crafts. They're using the I just went brain dead. I'm going to leave that in. Okay. Junk Journal January, hashtag Hope and Joy 2022. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get something over here to help prop it up as I'm opening it. Okay, because this is the way an accordion journal works. Everything folds out until the next one. This page right here has a little tuck spot that doesn't want to open up. There it goes. And that's where my prompt list goes for the month. And page number 1, prompt number 1 is right there. This is all about making these journals. Gives me so much joy. I just can't tell you how much fun I have making them. And this is all done in mostly pink. And I'm using pink as a neutral in this. If you've never tried it, try it. It's fun. Because pink goes with navy blue or any shade of blue. It goes with black. It goes with green. They're even yellow. There's any number of ways you can do color combinations with pink. It even goes with brown and taupe. It's the little things that make life big, is that collage. This one over here, this is one of my little mini specimens, slide specimens that I made, and I do have a tutorial on making these. And then I just got a little journaling card, and then I've got a flip up collaged journaling card. And I make a lot of these in my journals. They're real simple to make, and I do have a tutorial for those also on my YouTube channel. I just love making this. Delight. That's the definition of delight on that. And a bird of peace. There's the first journaling card. And this is another journaling card. It does open up. This is Kool-Aid dyed paper. Find joy in the ordinary. Positive impression page. There's not a lot of journaling spots in this. More could be added, but I just didn't do it on this. I don't use a lot of brown or sepia, but sepia was one of the prompts for Junk Journal January. Even in the mud and scum of things, something always, always sings. Ralph Waldo Emerson. There's the back, and the back leads you to more. Goes like that. This has a pocket. And I made this little card out of packaging from the washi tape shop. It goes inside my handmade envelope. I do have a tutorial on making these little easy envelopes. This is wax type paper. Once You Choose Hope, Anything's Possible by Christopher Reeve. Another little tuck spot. That's how I do the backs of my journaling cards. Live gently upon this earth. This one was about dreams. Live your dream with passion. This was Tickets and Tags, and it's got them all. This is a ribbon that I got at Joann's, if you're interested, in my journaling card I made. And I butterflied the whole back of that one. Another journaling card I made. The bird on the back. Journaling card. Little ticket. Cute little ticket. And another little ticket. Lots of tickets in that one. The prompt was Tickets and Tags. This one was, I don't know, dull or dreamy, or, no, not dreamy, but what was that one? I don't know, I put my thing up. That is a journaling card I made for this one. That's dried flowers on them. To see how long they last in here, I take them in with a little bit of washi tape that doesn't want to stick down. So in case they all fall apart, I can take them out. Today is full of possibilities. And here's the last page, which I just love. I love every bit of them. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.